What's up, YouTube? So today, casual day at the house. I'm going to clean up some stuff. I'm gonna bring the power washer up, clean the truck off. Good thing with white, you don't really notice it being too dirty, but once you get up close, you can see it's pretty dirty. So I'm gonna give it a nice power wash along with the inside because this thing is filthy from going to the track all the time and all this dirt and grime and all the floor mats. I gotta take out and power wash those. Detail everything on the inside since it's all dirty from leaving the windows open at the track. All the dust and dirt and everybody sitting back here. So it's gonna get a full detail today because it's needed, and I haven't done it in quite some time. So I'm gonna go through all that, and not to mention take everything out of the bed, power wash that out, get all that oil and crap out, and then I'm gonna clean up Blaze's pit bike, give this a good power wash, take care of it, grease, oil everything, check everything over, and then we're gonna get to the bikes. We're probably gonna rip pitters or something. We'll figure something out, but I'm gonna get everything all cleaned up. I turned around for like 5 minutes. Lily's out here laying out in the sun. She loves just sitting out here. Anytime I come outside during the day, she'll follow me outside, want to lay outside. I don't know why my mom put that stupid clothes on her, but it is what it is. I'll probably take it off right now because I know, Lily, I'm sorry. Probably don't want this crap on because it's probably super hot. Here, I don't even know how to get this damn thing off. Stop. There you go. Now you're better. Alright, well, it took a little break from cleaning the truck. I got like half of it done, the whole outside done, detailed a little bit. Anthony and Mike were fishing in the pond. They didn't really catch much. They didn't really catch anything other than little like sunfish and little bass.
There's like nothing to catch, they're all dead.
Yeah, so fishing here is a no-go. There was fish like 2 years ago, and then we had a really bad winter. And like 40 fish, I probably picked up like 40 decent sized bass. Bunch of fish, they all died because that's the deal I was talking about with Anthony and Mike, that we all need KLX110Ls. If you own a dealership, you know somebody that has a hookup on 17, if there's any 17 leftover KLX110Ls, and if 3 of us come in and buy one very soon, let me know, like we'll be there, because I'm 100% gonna buy one, but these two, for the right price, we can get 3 to buy them. So let me know. I'm 100%, if you know somebody that has a 17 left over, get it a little bit cheaper, let me know. There's so much seaweed and crap in here. I don't even know what to call it. There's all that, can't see it, but I want to get the big rake and like throw it out and drag it in. That'll be probably a full day process.
I caught like 8 fish today.
No, I'm saying to get all that crap out and so then you can see all that slime and crap. There's a bunch of junk. Actually, maybe we can jump bikes and stuff in here, and then I'm looking for a cable type, like a wakeboard, snowboard, polar thing that I can set up on this side, then get the skim board or a wakeboard and like skim across. I think that'd be super, super fun. If any of you out there know like a company that sells them that are decently priced and decent products, it's not gonna break on me, shoot me a link on Instagram DMs at Tyler Monagan. Along with, if we can find a dealership, now I'm thinking if Phil buys one, Mike buys one, Anthony buys one, say Ryan buys a new one, and I buy a new one, there's 5 110Ls that a dealership could possibly have sales for the same day. Let me know, post a comment, send me an email or something. All the information is down below in the description, and we'll get stuff sorted out. But if not, we're gonna try to find a dealership close that's the best priced over some other dealerships. I actually caught something for the day, a little guy, little bass, about, I don't know, 6 inches or so, huh?
No, you know, he's a tank.
Well, just a little guy, nothing too big.
Hey, you wanna get a John B release?
Yeah, right. Oh, and he's gone. All right, so Ride Guy just showed up. We got a proposal for you that me, Anthony, and Mike were talking about.
BRG came up with it?
No. So here's what we're saying. I give this back to Blaze because I don't want to beat it up.
No.
Regardless,
no.
Okay?
No.
What we want to do.
I know what you're about to say.
If we can get, we're trying to get the most people possible to buy new 110Ls to get the price down at a dealership. So say 5 of us go in to buy brand new 110Ls. Would you be down to sell your 110 to then get a new one for like maybe, you can probably sell yours for what, 1,500?
Yeah, if I
and then all you have to pay extra is like another 1,000.
Yeah, I would do it.
That'd be if 5 of us go in. We're trying to find leftover 17 110Ls. 5 of them. If Phil gets one, Mike gets one, and Anthony, and you, and me.
Anthony's won't last.
They would definitely.
Yeah, Anthony's won't last more than like a week.
What if they're like, all right, $2 grand a piece?
That's what I'm thinking. Hey Ryan, take care of my stallion, okay? She's really precious to me. It's a good mountain bike, all right? Treat her with care. Ryan, where you cutting mountains today?
Yeah, I gotta make that money for the new petter.
Yeah, I know, dude. Even on Mother's Day, huh? Trying to all go ride over at Mike's house in like those meadow areas. Mike's gonna ride his quad. I was gonna try to borrow Ryan's pit bike for Anthony to ride, but of course somebody else is borrowing his pit bike. Oh, so I just fired up my pit bike. I'm gonna see if Anthony might just ride this, since I'm gonna ride the stock one, Blaze's stock one. But I don't know, I guess I'll fire it up. It should be okay, maybe. Hopefully it lasts. Anthony riding it, he'll just have to take it easy on it. Should be okay for at least like an hour or two while we ride. If it blows up, it's gonna be a bad day, and it probably already would have been in the video title. Thing smokes so bad though. Well, we got both the pitters loaded up in the back of the truck. I'm just gonna run it. Just gonna let Anthony run it. So just got the mic house, been ripping around for a little bit. I'm gonna get our helmets on and shut the GoPro up, bring the other vlog camera, and try to get some clips. Yeah, it's not smoking a tad, but it's still, we'll see if it lasts. You good? It's stalled? Yeah, you can't ride it like this. Like that thing, it's either you go or you don't, really. Oh, the good old trusty. Back at the illegal pit bike riding spot. If you guys saw that video, I posted that a little while. Posted that like a couple months ago. Well, the trusty pit bike.
This thing is shot.
Jump out.
What?
Jump out of it. What? What are you doing?
That shot.
You're on the inside. Like scared me. Alright. It's so dusty. Wow, dude. Aw. That was uncalled for. Of course Anthony goes and floods it. You screwed it! It got the filter wet. He got the filter wet. He got the filter wet. He's screwed. That thing's done.
He's done.
I told you to go slow.
I did.
No, you didn't. You went full bore through it. Water splash. Dude, you're an idiot.
Is it good?
No, it's not good.
What's wrong with it?
Listen to it. Feel the filter. What an idiot. Oh, you see that backfire? Cleaned itself out. Turn it off.
No.
It'll start up. It's happened to me before. Many times.
I really hope it doesn't start.
Dude.
If it doesn't I hope you're pushing him.
I'm not pushing it. I'm gonna leave it.
We'll have to go back and get a rope or something.
No, he's only gonna push to that gate.
Dude, look at all the smoke going down the hill. Look at the
Dude.
smoke go down the hill.
It wasn't smoking for a while.
Until it hit the water.
Yeah, until it hit the water. Then it, yeah.
That was hilarious.
Hey, by the way, check that tire. It looks like it's flat. Anthony, you need your own pit bike.
Dude, you need to fix this.
You need your own pit bike.
Him buying a new 110.
If he bought a new 110, that thing would be shot in a month.
week.
It would literally be roached way worse than that in a month.
In a week, he would be pissed.
He would ride that thing up and down the road, down the canal. He would ride it everywhere. He would not care.
No.
That's a fact.
Oh yeah.
That thing would be done. Or the cops would take it.
Oh yeah.
One of the two. One of the two.
It'd be shot. One
Yeah.
of the cops got it.
The cops would take it, or he'd run and then
Wad it up.
he'd wad it and then they'd impound it and then he'd get it out and then he'd do it again. Because he doesn't learn. So
He doesn't get caught, so it don't matter.
on a stock 110 out, they might catch you.
Not a shot.
I know you're gonna cut through lawns and stuff, but still.
Not a shot.
It's like you got like it's like you hear, dude, you don't even make sense.
Dude, they're following me, so if you're the leader, they gotta follow you. So if I make a quick little, you're not gonna
Easier to do stand-ups on. Easier to do stand-ups on than mine because it's like it's not as snappy, so you can use more of the throttle. I knew that was gonna happen.
Oh, do the pipe!
I knew that was gonna happen. Damn.
You hold, please.
Dude. That sucks.
Dude, put the camera on.
Are you okay?
I'm alright.
I know he's
Oh,
Did you hear that click?
dude, I feel so bad right now.
You have to pay for it.
Oh yeah.
I know, but I still feel bad. Damn. Please, dude, I'm sorry. I'm giving it right back. Ow.
That one's a mega piece of shit.
Oh, dude. There's rocks.
I have a question. How the fuck do you like it? Because you laughed at me when I crashed my 450. Torn right in the palm.
Dude.
I wish I was filming.
Well, this sucks. Of course it had to happen on the gravel, not the grass. Hit my head pretty good too on the ground. Good thing I was wearing that helmet. The bars are fine, they didn't bend. Gonna have to buy them, and it needed a new fender anyway.
It's not neutral.
Is it?
Yeah. It's the chain. See how it's looking? Back up.
So it needs a new
Look
chain,
at that wing.
fender.
See it cocked? Hey.
Dude, you know what? I got an idea.
Well, we got back to the house. We're gonna load up, take this back. I'm probably just gonna order up tonight. I'm gonna order a new clutch. I'm not even gonna bother try to straighten it up. I'm just gonna get him a new shifter. And then the pipe, I can bend back, and then I'm just gonna either just get a new fender or zip tie it up temporarily because I know he wanted to do the different color plastic, so there's really no point in buying another green one. I feel like 50 bucks in parts total, fix it up. It could have been a lot worse. I could have gotten hurt or something, so luckily I didn't get hurt. I hit my head pretty good.
That's what the helmet's for.
Yeah, that's what, you got it? Jeez. Well, it could have been worse. I just talked to Blaze. Mike's head's in the way.
Head is right in the way.
So I just talked to Blaze. He didn't really care. Like I said, I'm just gonna order up the parts tonight, and then it should be in by like Wednesday.
Subframe?
No, the subframe's
Right here,
not
where
bent.
look where the bolt is, isn't that to the
Just the
frame?
mount, but that'll bend right back. As long as it's on video. If it's not on video, it didn't happen, right?
Hey, dude, karma sucks, man. You did this to me, and you're like, oh, I wish it was on video. And
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
you know
I know.
know
All the
what? Karma
clickbait
sucks.
titles got me, you know? All the clickbait titles, so.
Yeah,
Had to happen at some point. I haven't crashed in a while, so that was,
Well,
yeah.
I mean, you looped it today, like, on a week. That was... Yes! Yes, I get it on video. That's all I wanted.
Yeah, but that's not, this is I actually
That's
crashed.
A crash. That's like a painful crash.
Yeah.
You just looped it.
Yeah, but could have been worse.
I mean, you looped it, but like.
We're heading out. Yeah, I looped it. Pretty Pretty hard. Fourth gear, that was fourth. It probably didn't seem that fast on video, but that was fourth.
Nah, it was your.
I was more concerned about hitting Mike's tire, and then I don't even know. Regardless.
Like if you would have hit his tire, you would have been like.
Yeah, if I hit the tire, I would have been screwed. Yeah. Screwed, but whatever. We're okay.